Hi, my name is Herbert from the Technical Services Window with this week's TSW Tip of the Week. This week, we are going to be looking at how to set your ISO and gain in the Sony PMW200, Sony FS700, and the Canon 7D. Gain and ISO are technically the same, but in different measurements. What they do is add more light to your image. To change your gain in the PMW200, you will first want to go into the menu settings, then go into the camera setup and click on gain. Here you can see the three types of levels, low, medium, and high. You can click on either of the levels to set the gain. To select between the different levels, you go to the side of the camera. Here you will find a switch which will let you toggle between either of the three settings. The Canon 7D uses ISO measurements rather than gain. To have freedom to choose your ISO, you must make sure the camera is on manual mode. You can then go to the top LCD screen and push the ISO button. It will then pop up on your screen, which then lets you choose which ISO is best for your situation. You'll want to hit the menu button on the FS700 and go to Camera Settings. Here you have the option to choose between gain or ISO. Then you can set your high, medium, and low. You can hit the button on the side of the camera to choose which setting you want to use, either gain or ISO. Then you can toggle between either of the three settings. Stay tuned for more tips on TSW's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.